I hope Mommy's pants are okay.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. Jesus, show some lightning. Wow.
Ooh, thunder.
Jesus is? Wow, I like that. Oh my gosh. This is scary.
Yeah.
Because tomorrow we might actually have a flood. What if there's all night and it goes tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow? What if that happened? Everyone should be on their way home.
Yeah, they should stay home.
Yeah. It's getting cold outside. Oh my gosh. This is kind of like Vietnam right here. Wait, back.
Mm-hmm.
Is there any floods in Vietnam? A lot?
Yeah,
Really?
all the time.
Oh wow. Wait, did it happen at your house too, Back?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
A lot?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my gosh. When it thunder, you can look underground and you can see how much that water is. It's so much. Like, do not go out your house, guys. It will flood in your house.
Yeah, thunder, lightning.
Do not even open your house. Do not keep it open. Keep it locked.
Yeah, do not open the door.
Because they may go in your house and you may have a flood.
Oh, it's raining.
Oh my gosh.
It's more rain now.
Wow, looks
coming.
like it's turning morning. Gosh. I hope we don't have a flood.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone stay safe. Oh my gosh. Wait, back. At my school, is there any rain like this?
Yeah.
Really?
Everywhere.
Wait, so there's a flood like this in my school?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my. I'm touching the window and it's cold and shaking. I hope it doesn't break. What's that sound like? It's cracked.
It's thunder.
Oh my gosh. Stay safe, everyone.
Yeah.
I want you to stay safe.
We may have a tornado warning.
Really? Do not open your garages or doors because they may get in. Oh my gosh. Look up the roofs. Oh my
You hear
gosh.
that? Thunder.
You can hear this like boom, boom, boom.
Yeah, boom, boom, boom.
Oh my gosh, it sounds just like how it was. Jesus, Joey, some lightning. Wow. Wow. It's never gonna go out until it does. It just goes and goes and goes. See this. Guys, this is not fun to play Muddy Puddles by now because you might get flooded. Right, Ba?
Mm-hmm.
Stay at your home, guys. You guys should be going home by now. It's, well, actually before this happens. Because you don't want to walk in with a flood coming in, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Well, I hope everyone's at their home already.
I think so. Nobody out there.
Yeah, it's the latest time to stay at work right now. Can you hear that, guys? Can you hear that? Oh my gosh, it's raining so fast. Wow. Wait, how does thunder come from Jesus? Like, how does he have powers? Jesus, show me some lightning bolts on our window. Jesus, put the raindrops to our window.